Controversial legislation inching its way closer to Ohio Governor Kasich's desk. The Pastor Protection Act would ensure religious leaders and organizations would not be held liable for refusing to perform services like gay marriages. News 5's Lauren Wilson wondered how pastors felt. She found two men with different ideologies united in opposition.
The altar. Who gets to stand here and say their I do's, and who gets to decide? That's what some pastors are debating, especially now with the new piece of legislation. Some, like Pastor John Lentz, say it's just simply unnecessary.
I think they're making a thing out of a nothing.
While others like Pastor Andrew Clark say it discriminates.
It's a camouflage bill that's protecting those individuals that are geared toward hate.
The two pastors from different denominations with two different approaches to how they handle requests like same-sex marriage.
I would not, because it's against my belief systems.
We celebrate marriages of all people.
But one view about House Bill 36, both see it as a violation, close to crossing a line between the separation between church and state.
I feel very uncomfortable about the state trying to legislate the pastor's role in these very personal matters.
The Pastor Protection Act says that a minister or religious organization cannot be held liable for refusing services because of their religious beliefs, issues even the church can't agree on.
The larger church is divided on this kind of issue.
Lawmakers say the bill that's already passed in the State House is meant to protect religious freedom and prevent tension and lawsuits regarding same-sex marriage.
We have enough in the provisions to protect us.
But these pastors say there's more going on within their own immediate community that needs attention.
We have some other issues that we're more concerned about, social justice issues relevant to discriminatory practices on all levels.
There have been efforts to pass the Pastor Protection Act in Ohio. Since 2015, a Senate committee could schedule a vote on it this week. In Cleveland Heights, Lauren Wilson, News 5.
The representative who introduced that bill told the Columbus Dispatch it's aimed at addressing the tension between the U.S. Supreme Court's gay marriage decision and the Catechism of Faith Communities.